Good day. This is Timothy Miller from Success by Design, and welcome. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the WhatsApp Box Sender application. Firstly, we're going to download this application through the Google Drive link, like this. You're going to click Download anyway, and it should appear right here as downloaded. Once completed, you'll see it on your desktop over here, like this. You just double click that, or you extract it via your My Files. So we double click on this to go to the setup wizard, and once we're here, we'll click Next. You'll click Just Me, and we'll start the installation. It'll give up a prompt. You'll just say yes. It is safe to download. And we'll close to exit. Right. WhatsApp Box Sender is now installed on your computer. Once installed, you'll be prompted to put in the activation key. This activation code will be sent to you by Success by Design. Once you have sent them your activation code up here, they will provide you with the product activation key, which we will paste in there, and we will activate now. Once activated, the application should open up, ready for all your business needs. Thank you so much. Goodbye.